Hello, in this video we want to show you how you can use keyboard navigation for navigating cells in Infinite Table. By default, keyboard navigation is enabled, so you can click any cell in the table and you have navigation. Use arrow up, down and page up, page down to navigate. Also you can use end and home. In order to specify a default active cell, you can use default active cell index. This should be an array, and the first index is the row and the second index is the column. So let's say row at index 4 and column at index 3. So if we reload, you see the cell at the specified place is by default active. Okay, now let's see how you can use it in a controlled way. So every property in Infinite Table has both a controlled and uncontrolled version. Active cell index is the same. So the controlled property is active cell index. And let's make this a state value. And by default, let's say 0, 0. And then you have to specify on active cell index change and then the callback function that updates the state. Okay, if we don't specify this, what happens? So let's put an X there, so it's, you see, it never updates. So we can, for example, print it here. Active cell index JSON file. This is how you can very easily use active cell index as both a controlled or uncontrolled property for navigating cells. Of course, it also works with grouping. So let's group by country. Group by. Let's declare group by to be of data source group by developer. This will be an array. And let's specify field country, and that's it. So you can use keyboard to hit enter when you're in a cell. That's a group cell, to expand or collapse the row. Thank you for watching and hope it was useful. Goodbye.